Okay guys, today is a special video because in today's video we're going to be showing how to make slime. Well, I'm not going to be showing it because I already made it. See? Look, I'll take it out of the bag real quick. Guys, look at this slime. It's really cool slime and no borax. You don't need to use borax to make this slime. Wait, I'm going to put the slime back in the bag. Zero! She barks when I say zero. Or any number. Like what? I'm about to turn around and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, go get him. 1. Oh my gosh! Be quiet! Why you gotta bark so loud? Oh, but this is what you need for the slime. See slime right there? It could be any type of laundry detergent. I'm just using extra because it works. And yeah, extra. And you also just need glue. That's all you need. Elmer's glue. And this. And then you put it into a small bowl. And then the only reason it's blue is because of food coloring. But you don't need food coloring for it to turn into slime. It could just be without food coloring. You put it into a bowl. And then you just, a small bowl. Then you mix the slime up before putting the laundry detergent in there. And after you mix it up for about a good 30 seconds, then you put laundry detergent in there. And then you keep mixing it up. And if it doesn't work, you just keep putting more and more of laundry detergent in there until it starts to look like slime. And then you wait and you go somewhere, leave the slime in the bowl for about 5 minutes, go back, and it should be all slimy. Really cool. It's a really cool slime. Yeah, that's Junior. I still got my puppet over here. Oh, and new Switch video coming soon because I just got my first Switch. I've never owned a Switch before. See? Got my new Switch. And I got a new cool mouse. And it has side buttons too. But I still got my Junior puppet over here, guys. See? Gotta get Junior out of there. Yep, there's Junior. So, bye guys.